and no songbirds is singing. When the twilight is gone, you come into my heart, and here in my heart you will stay while I pray. My prayer is to linger with you at the end of the day, and that dream that's divine. My prayer is rapture and blue with a world far away, and your lips close to mine. Tonight, while our hearts are aglow, oh, tell me the words that I'm longing to know. My prayer and the answer you gave, may it still be the same for as long as we live. And you'll always be there at the end